Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluenzo English, where learning English feels calm, natural, and easy to follow. I'm really happy you're here today. Because today's conversation is something all of us need sometimes. Today's topic is: when you feel tired, don't give up. Finish what you started. Yeah, this is not only about English. It's about life too. Sometimes we feel tired very quickly. Our body feels slow. Our mind feels heavy. And we just want to stop everything. But there's a big difference between being tired and being finished. A lot of people stop because they feel tired. But successful people usually stop after they finish the thing they started. And honestly, this is something I'm still learning too. Because being tired is normal. Everybody gets tired. Students get tired. Workers get tired. Parents get tired. Even people with big dreams get tired sometimes. But tired doesn't mean you should quit. It just means you need to keep going a little more. Think about learning English. Maybe you study for 20 minutes. You listen carefully. You repeat sentences. You try to understand new words. And after some time, your brain feels exhausted. You think, okay, maybe that's enough for today. And then your phone suddenly looks very interesting. Social media feels easier. Watching random videos feels easier. Because learning takes energy. But imagine this. You plan to finish one lesson today. You already started. You are close to finishing it. But you stop halfway because you feel tired. Later that night, you usually don't feel proud. You feel uncomfortable. You feel like, I should have finished it. That feeling stays in your mind. But now imagine something different. You feel tired, but you continue for 10 more minutes. You finish the lesson completely. Now your body is still tired. But your mind feels peaceful. Because you finished. That feeling is powerful. And slowly, that habit changes your life. A lot of people think motivation is the secret. But honestly, consistency is more important. Some days you feel excited. Some days you feel lazy. Some days you feel tired for no reason. But small progress every day is what really matters. And this doesn't only happen with English. It happens with exercise too. Maybe you decide to go for a walk. Your goal is 30 minutes. The first 5 minutes feel easy. 10 minutes, still okay. But then your legs start feeling heavy. You feel hot. You feel tired. And suddenly stopping sounds very attractive. You see a bench nearby. And your brain says, sit down. You can continue tomorrow. But tomorrow usually becomes later. And later sometimes becomes never. So instead of stopping completely, maybe you just slow down. Walk slowly. Take smaller steps. Breathe deeply. But continue moving. And then suddenly, you reach 30 minutes. Now you feel strong. Not because it was easy. But because you finished something difficult. That's an amazing feeling. And honestly, confidence grows like this. Not from easy moments. But from moments when you wanted to stop, and didn't. Even small daily tasks work the same way. Maybe your room is messy. Maybe the kitchen is dirty. Maybe you still have unfinished work waiting for you. And your bed looks comfortable. Your sofa looks comfortable. Everything except the work looks comfortable. And your brain says, do it tomorrow. But unfinished things usually stay inside your mind. Even while resting, you still think about them. That's why finishing something feels so relaxing. Real rest feels better after effort. When you complete your work first, you enjoy your rest more. And this is important for English learners too. Sometimes people wait to feel motivated before studying. But motivation doesn't always come first. Sometimes action comes first. You start tired. You continue slowly. And then motivation appears while you are working. That happens to me too sometimes. I don't always feel ready. I don't always feel energetic. But once I begin, things become easier. The hardest part is usually starting. And another important thing is this. Your goals should be small enough to finish. A huge goal can feel scary. If you tell yourself, I will study English for 5 hours today, your brain immediately feels stressed. But if you say, I will study for 15 minutes, suddenly it feels possible. Small goals help you continue. And when you complete one small goal, you naturally want to do another one. That's how progress grows. Little by little. Step by step. Not perfectly. Just consistently. And please remember this too. Resting is not bad. You do need rest. Your body needs rest. Your mind needs rest. But there's a difference between resting after progress and quitting before progress. That difference changes everything. So when you feel tired, ask yourself something simple. Am I truly finished? Or, do I just want comfort right now? Sometimes that one question can help you continue. And honestly, future you will probably feel thankful. Because finishing things builds discipline. And discipline slowly builds confidence. You begin trusting yourself more. You start thinking, if I say I will do something, I actually do it. That feeling is powerful. Especially when learning a language. English becomes easier when you stay consistent. Not perfect. Just consistent. One lesson. One conversation. One small step every day. That's enough. So if you feel tired today, that's okay. Everybody feels tired sometimes. Just don't let tiredness become the reason you quit completely. Slow down if you need to. Take a short break if you need to. But try to finish the small goal you started today. Your future self will thank you for it. And before we finish today's episode, I want you to think about something. What is one small thing you want to finish this week? Maybe it's an English lesson. Maybe it's a book. Maybe it's exercise. Maybe it's cleaning your room. Whatever it is, try to finish it. One small goal. One completed promise to yourself. And if you want, you can share it in the comments. I'd really love to read it. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. And thank you for continuing your English journey with Fluenzo English. Keep practicing. Keep improving. And most importantly, keep going, even on tired days. I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.